All right, let's see how your leg length is. Coming back here. Okay. I need you to bring this leg up. Now just bring it up here. I'm going to push down, you hold. Hold. Good. Bring this one. Bring it up. Hold. Okay. Okay. Here. Bring it up again. Hold. Okay. Use this percussor, loosen this muscle up a little bit, get in the glutes, work it out. Okay. Bring this up. Hold. Good. Lift it up down. Okay, when you lay this side up, facing good. Okay, lay back. Just relax. Okay, now go belly down. Relax. Just relax this. Just relax. Alright, just going to hold this here for a little bit. Try to loosen this hip up. Just relax it. Now push out against me into my hand. Keep pushing. Okay, relax it. Good. Good. Right there. Let it go. Beautiful. Okay, lay the side up, face me this way. Side comes a little out. Just relax. Then drop. Good. Now laying back. Now just slide up a little bit more that way. There you go. Just let the legs hang down. Okay, good. Now just slide down a little bit more. Now what I want you to do, roll towards me here. Let's just check these areas here. Okay, take a deep breath, let it go. There you go. Okay. Go belly down. Okay. Oh, you're tight up in here. Take a deep breath, let it go. Good. Take another deep breath, let it go. Good. Bring this on back. Okay. Turn it here. Okay, back to center, turn it here. Okay, back to center. Okay, right there, just stay where you are. Turn. Okay. Okay, back to center. Spring here. Okay, lay on your back. Tender right there?
Yeah.
Okay, let it just relax. Let it drop my hand. Just let it drop. Good. Nice and easy. Let's stretch this out. Okay, sit up for me, facing that way. Okay, sit straight. Okay, now I'm going to try to work on that posture a little bit. Keep this percussive down low. Now just retract your chin back. No, don't look up. Just retract it back. Yeah. Hold. Does that bother you at all? Good. Just working on this posture, trying to get this curve back. Okay, now retract it forward. Stretching out all these muscles. Get like concrete back here. We're breaking it up like a cement mixer. Okay, bring it back down. I'll lower it. Shoulders a little out of whack there. What happened? Do anything in that shoulder?
All push-ups.
Push-ups did it? Okay. Bring this back. Okay. Come across. Okay, just there we go. There goes one with this one. Okay, now bring this arm across the body that way. Just going to work the muscles out in here. Now bring the shoulders down. Okay. No, not there yet. A little more work and we'll get that shoulder up. Step straight. Now what I want you to do is just bring your arm up and just down. Let's just do. Okay, now hold it against your side. Just bring it down. Hold it against your side right there. And just see if this works out. Okay, there you go. Feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, ready to roll.